Good morning. My name is Pallavi Jaswal. Today I am going to describe the topic group theory. Group. A non-empty set G together with an operation O is called a group if the following conditions are satisfied. Closure axiom. For every given A, B belongs to G, this implies A operation B also belongs to G. Associative law. Within the bracket A operation B, operation C is equals to A operation within the bracket B operation C. For every given A, B, C belongs to G. Existence of identity. There exists an element E belongs to G called identity such that A operation E is equals to E operation A is equals to A for every given A belongs to G. Existence of inverse. Corresponding to every A belongs to G, there exists A inverse belong to G such that A inverse operation A is equals to A operation A inverse is equals to E. This A inverse is called inverse of A. Instead of saying that G is a group with respect to the operation O, we always say that G, O is a group. Some examples of groups. The set of all real numbers with ordinary addition law of composition. Here, the number O is an identity and inverse of A is minus A. The set of all positive real numbers under ordinary multiplication. The set of all complex numbers with addition as composition. Types of groups. Finite and infinite groups. A group G, O is called a finite or infinite group according as number of elements of G are finite or infinite. Semigroup. A non-empty set G together a binary operation is called a semigroup. O is associative in G. General properties of groups. Theorem 1. Uniqueness of identity. The identity element of a group is unique. Theorem 2. Cancellation law. It holds in a group that is supposed A, B, C are arbitrary elements of a group G, then AB is equals to AC. This implies B is equals to C by left cancellation law. BA is equals to CA, which implies B is equals to C by right cancellation law. Theorem 3. Uniqueness of inverse. Since the identity element of group is unique, this implies the inverse of each element of a group is also unique. Theorem 4. Reversal rule. The inverse of a product of two elements of a group G is the product of the inverse taken in the reverse order, i.e. AB inverse is equals to B inverse A inverse for every A, B belongs to G. Theorem 5. If G is a group and if A and B are any elements of G, then the linear equation AX is equals to B and YA is equals to B have unique solutions in G. Theorem 6. The left identity is also the right identity. Theorem 7. The left inverse of an element is also its right inverse. Now we will see an example. Prove that the set G is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a finite abelian group of order 5 with respect to the addition modulo 5. Solution. Since group is finite, we prepare the following composition table to explain the group axioms. Now we will see the composition table of plus mod 5. Firstly, we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row and a column and maintain 5 blocks. In the first row, we can see that 0 plus 0 is equals to 0 and 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, 0 plus 2 is equals to 2, 0 plus 3 is equals to 3, 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. In the second row, when 1 plus 0 is equals to 1, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, 1 plus 2 is equals to 3, 1 plus 3 is equals to 4, but 1 plus 4 is equals to 0. This is because our operation is working under the plus mod 5. Hence, when 1 plus 4 is equals to 5, the result is divided by 5, which results in the remainder 0. In the third row, we can see that 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, which the remainder results in 0. and further 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. The remainder results in 1. In the fourth row, we can see that 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, with the remainder results in 0. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. With the operation plus mod 5, the remainder results in 1. Hence, 3 plus 4 is equals to 2. In the last row, 4 plus 1 is equals to 0. 4 plus 2 is equals to 1. 4 plus 3 is equals to 2. 4 plus 4 is equals to 3. From the table, we can see that all the entries in the composition table are elements of the set G. Hence, G is closed under addition modulo 5. Addition modulo 5 is always associative. Here, 0 is identity element and all elements have its inverse. In the table, we can see that element 0 has inverse 0, element 1 has inverse 4, element 2 have inverse 3, element 3 have inverse 2, and element 4 have inverse 1. Which means that inverse of every element of G exists. The composition is commutative as the corresponding rows and columns in the table are identical. Hence, G plus mod 5 is finite abelian group. Now we will see what is an order of element. Definition: the order of element of a multiplicative group is the least positive integer n such that an is equals to e, the identity. Thus, by definition, it follows that an is equals to e, but a are not equals to e, where 0 is less than r is less than n. The order of an element a is said to be 0 or infinity if no positive integral power of a is the identity. For example, every element in the infinite group. Now we will see an example. Find the order of each element in the multiplicative group of integer modulo 8, where the given group is G is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7 under cross modulo 8. Here, the first element identity is 1, or hence order of 1 is equals to 1. When we will check the power of 3 to the power 1, which not equals to 1, since 3 into 1 is equals to 1. Now we will check 3 into 2. Means 3 into 3. Here 3 into 3 results in 9, but the R operation are working under cross modulo 8, hence the remainder result in 1. Hence order of 3 is equals to 2. 5 into 1 is equals to 1, but 5 into 5 is equals to 25, but our operation is working under cross modulo 8, hence the remainder results in 1. Hence order of 5 is equals to 2. 7 power 1 is equals to 7, but 7 power 2 is equals to 7 cross 7, which results in 1. Since our operation is working under cross modulo 8, 7 into 7 actually results in 49, but 7 into 8 is equals to 7 into 8 into 6 is equals to 48, and 48 is lesser than 49, hence result in 1. Hence order of 7 is equals to 2. Thus, each element except identity is of order 2. In this Klein 4 group, every element is its own inverse. We will see that it is sufficient condition for a group to be abelian. Thank you.